Nearly anywhere you are in the world, you're benefiting from Endress+Hauser technology. Endress+Hauser is a leading international supplier of measuring equipment, solutions and services for industrial process technology. Endress+Hauser knew their customers' field instruments were gathering a lot of data. But 97% of that industrial IoT data was going unused. And so, an idea was born. Endress+Hauser built a customer app that uses instrument data to signal machine maintenance and can trigger workflows in the customer's ERP system. This app takes advantage of SAP's business technology platform with solutions like SAP Internet of Things and SAP Cloud Platform that are integrated with SAP Asset Intelligence Network. These new insights help Endress+Hauser customers improve their operational, maintenance, and overall business processes. This cuts maintenance costs by up to 35% and significantly reduces costly unplanned downtime. Our goal is to bring innovation to our customers, which is what we're now doing with the SAP Business Technology Platform. SAP is supporting Endress+Hauser's digital transformation into an intelligent instrument and services provider.